Samsung is gearing up for the imminent launch of the Galaxy S24 series, although much of the anticipated features and visuals have already been widely leaked. Details on the phone's appearances, European pricing, and even pre-order incentives have surfaced ahead of the official unveiling. Reports suggest that Samsung will provide double the storage capacity at no extra cost for pre-orders of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra. For instance, paying for the 256 GB version of the Galaxy S24 Plus would secure the 512 GB model without additional charges. Additionally, discounted offers on Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Watch are expected alongside the purchase of a Galaxy S24 series device, although specifics regarding the discounts and watch versions remain undisclosed. Variants of the Galaxy S24 lineup include 128 GB and 256 GB for the standard model, 256 GB and 512 GB for the S24 Plus, and 256 GB, 512 GB, and an exclusive 1 TB option for the S24 Ultra, available solely through Samsung's online store. Exclusive colors for these phones will also be offered via Samsung's online platform. Recent leaks have also showcased the Galaxy S24 Ultra through marketing posters, revealing its design elements such as the quad-camera setup, integrated S Pen stylus, and the mention of Galaxy AI, hinting at AI-powered features. This suite is expected to include AI and generative AI capabilities, providing enhanced functionality across the S24 series. The phones are anticipated to launch with Android 14-based One UI 6.1, boasting various AI-driven functionalities. These include real-time language translation during voice calls, AI-generated wallpapers, and weather effects. Despite the ongoing leaks, the official announcement for the Galaxy S24 series is set for January 17, 2024. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.